Hi everyone. Today we want to share with you the top 5 most interesting facts about ASMR, Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. Number 1. ASMR is a physical sensation that some people experience in response to specific auditory or visual triggers, such as whispering, tapping, or soft sounds. It's often described as a tingling sensation that starts in the scalp and moves down the back of the neck and into the rest of the body. Number 2. ASMR has only recently gained widespread recognition. It's been around for much longer than you might think. In fact, people have been reporting these sensations for over a century, although it wasn't until the advent of the internet that ASMR became more widely known. Number 3. Research into ASMR is still in its early stages, but some studies suggest that it could have therapeutic benefits. For example, one study found that ASMR can help to reduce stress and improve mood in some people. Number 4. ASMR has inspired a huge community of creators on platforms like YouTube and TikTok, who make videos designed to trigger the sensation in viewers. Some of the most popular ASMR artists have millions of subscribers and have even spawned their own merchandise lines. Number 5. Despite its growing popularity, ASMR still remains a somewhat controversial topic. While many people find the sensation pleasurable and relaxing, others find it uncomfortable or even downright creepy. However, as more research is conducted into ASMR and its potential benefits, it's likely that we'll gain a better understanding of this fascinating phenomenon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.